All right, quickly want to discuss critical angle. It's a very critical class because we are discussing critical angle. What is critical angle actually? Critical angle, we're going to talk about critical angle. We can talk about critical angle without talking about refraction. And what is refraction? Refraction is simply change of direction of light wave or any wave when it passes from medium of two different density. At that plane surface, there's going to be what we call refraction. So on a normal, when it's traveling from a denser medium or a less dense medium, medium one, let's say air, to medium two, let's say water, right? At this surface, when the light ray hits here, there will be a refraction. All right, so let's say this is our normal. This is our incident angle. This is our angle of refraction. This is incident ray. This is refracted ray. All right, so refraction is that change of direction at the surface between a medium of different density. Now, when it's traveling from a denser medium to a less dense medium, the reverse is still the reverse is the case. All right, let's say it's traveling from inside water. The light ray is traveling from water to air. This is incident angle, this angle of refraction. Now what do you notice? You notice that our refraction here brings it close to the normal. Our refraction here takes it slightly away from normal. Now there's a way you keep adjusting the angle of incidence from the denser medium such that the refracted ray will now lie on the surface between the medium, which means it will be perpendicular to the normal. This angle of incidence at which you achieve your refraction perpendicular to the on the surface where your angle of refraction is 90 degrees is called critical angle. So critical angle is the angle of incidence in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. Is the angle of incidence in the denser medium for which the refraction is on the surface between the two medium. Is the angle of incidence in the denser medium for which once you pass it, there's going to be total internal reflection. There will not be longer refraction. Total internal reflection is another topic for another day, but just know that critical angle is the angle of incidence in a denser medium where the refraction angle is 90 degrees. All right, that is just that for critical angle. And remember, in the law of refraction, we know that our refractive index is sine I over sine R. All right. So under this is like refractive index from air to glass. Okay, so let's say air to water. Now, for critical angle, our refractive index is 1 over sine C, where C is critical angle. Why is it 1 over sine C? Because refractive angle is 90 degrees and sine 90 is 1. Because refractive index from air to water is inverse of refractive index from water to air. So if this is air to water is sine I over sine R, then for water to air, it's going to be sine R over sine I, which is sine 90 over sine I. I is now our critical angle, and sine 90 is 1. So it gives you 1 over critical angle. So this is water to air, or the denser medium to the less dense medium. All right. Refers to my class on the law of refraction, where I taught on incident ray, refractive ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. I also taught about the sine of angle of incidence is equal the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is constant for a pair of medium. That you will see the law of reflection and refraction explained in those classes. Thank you, and I hope you understand what critical angle is. Make sure you share this video to others that need to understand this, and subscribe to this channel. See you. Hasta la vista.